Okay, so a few of you have requested a video on the I am and what exactly the I am means. So here goes. Okay, the I am is actually something that you have to keep in mind if you want to find out who you really are. Okay, it is one of the quickest ways to find out who you really are. This is how it works. I am is an inquiry, a self-inquiry that you do for yourself. Okay? So when you just present the words I and am, then you gotta figure out who is the I in the am. Okay? I, who is that I? Who is asking the I? If you can figure out who is asking the I, then you're going to find out who you are. Because you see, we put identities and stuff that we're not. When you say I, are you your thoughts? It's a question. You can't be your thoughts because you are observing your thoughts. When you say I, can you be your body? You can't be your body because let's say you had an accident and both of your legs were decapitated or cut off, and you had your arms cut off and everything cut off. Not that I want that. I'm just saying, right? Are you still going to have the sense of I? There's many handicapped people out there that have basically no limbs, literally, and they still have the sense of I, okay? If you tomorrow had a heart transplant, totally, they ripped your heart and they put another one in, you would have the sense of I, okay? And I know what you're going to tell me, the I and consciousness goes into the brain and the mind. It's not. And science will prove that day. How? When we are finally able to do a brain transplant, you're still going to have the sense of I, okay? Your brain, you see, is nothing else but another tool, just like your heart, just like your lungs. It's an organ. That's all it is. As a matter of fact, your heart and your brain have similar ways of operating, and they communicate with one another. But your sense of I is not there. So who is the I? Who is the I when you say I am? That you need to marinate in it, okay? Just marinate with this self-inquiry. I am. Who is asking the I am, or who is making that self-inquiry about the I am, and you just got to focus on the I. When you really understand how this plays out, you might have an emotional rush. You might start crying. You might have goosebumps. Most of the time you just have this sense of, not sadness, but maybe liberation is the proper word, and you start crying. So focus on the I am and ask, who is the I? And when you come up with that answer, it will come to you. When you come up with that answer, you will be mind blown. And until then, no matter what you do, be the greatest you. Love and light to all. Just do the self-inquiry. Just like I said, you need nothing else. Nothing else, absolutely. Just the I am. And you're going to figure out what I'm talking about. Love and light to you all. Bye-bye.